Rotate the wrench in the front to open the 8 module locks in the rear and make the module locks in the vertical situation. Hold the handles in the rear, pushing the module forward. Remove the padlock from the module and check for damage to the front and back of the module. After that, reassemble the module back into the panel and then tighten the screws with the wrench. Follow the step above, place each module in position, align each one precisely with surrounding modules for seamless display, then screw it back securely through screwdriver.